Do you know the jelly girl? The jelly girl, the jelly girl. Do you know the jelly girl who flies around the town? Yes, I know the jelly girl, the jelly girl, the jelly girl. Yes, I know the jelly girl. She wears a bright pink cape. She ate some jelly, sweet and red, sweet and red, sweet and red. She ate some jelly, sweet and red, and superhero power.